Hello everybody, let me show you in this quick tutorial how to download and install Blender in your PC for completely free. Now for the first step, go into the description down below where you're going to find the link to Blender. Open the website and right here you're going to see the option to download Blender. Click into it and depending on the operating system of your PC you want to click right here for macOS, Linux and other versions. But if you're using Windows, you want to click right here where you see download Blender. In the moment of recording this video, the version is 3.4.1. Click on it. And now wait a couple of minutes until this is done, the download. When it's done downloaded, you want to open your downloads folder and double click into the Blender file. Right here is the Blender setup wizard, you want to click into next. Accept the terms of agreement, you can read them on later. Into next. And right here you can change the location if you want to install it into a different drive. Click into next. And to done installing it, you want to click into install. When the setup wizard is done, you want to click into the finish button, finish installation of Blender. Now you can simply search for Blender inside of Windows. The first time that you open Blender, you're going to see this right here. You can change your language, your shortcuts, to select how the spacebar, what this does, and the theme. Click into next. And in here you want to select what you want to do. If you want to do a general 2D animation, sculpting, VFX, video editing, anything like that. That is pretty much it for how to install Blender in your PC for free. So, guys, thanks for watching, subscribe, and drop a like in the video if you enjoyed. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.